Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you fix WeChat QR scan not working. If your WeChat QR scan is not working, common solution involves checking your internet connection. So first thing first, you want to exit out of this page, go to settings on your device and make sure to check or make sure to go to in network and internet and check whether you're connected to a stable internet or not. After which, if you've checked the internet and there seems no issue, then you could also ensure good lighting and clear lenses. That means glare, shadow, poor lighting, or dirt camera lenses. Dirty camera lenses can prevent the scanner from reading the QR code correctly. You can clean your camera lens and ensure the QR code is well lit and not on a reflective surface. Next, you also want to make sure that the entire QR code is within the camera frame and that your hand is steady. At the same time, if the issue still persists on, a simple restart can often resolve temporary software glitch. That might also be able to help. You could also ensure that the QR code is not blur and then the low resolution or damage. The scanner needs to be clear, a square image with a good obstruction between the dark molecular and a light background. So this is how you could fix WeChat QR scan not working. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.